Hello everyone, this is Anuj and I am welcoming you to MasterExcelNow. And today I had a question, so I had to come online and wanted to ask everybody, are you scared of Excel? Do you find it tough to navigate rows and columns and data which is endless? Because if you are, I can understand. I have been there myself. I still remember I started doing Excel at a very later stage in my career, and it was the need of the hour. I had to learn it in order to survive. So, are you one of those? If you are, I would request you to comment and say yes. And there's no shame, because when you say yes and you're looking at this video, you're already taking the first step to actually change that, to face your fear head on, and that is very, very commendable. So, my question to you is, why are you afraid of Excel? Too complicated, too tough, too, complex to remember formulas and functions, what to do and how to do? So, if that is the case, then all you need is a little bit of learning. You just need to learn how to do it. Learn how to face that challenge and win over it over and over again. I'm just going to share some facts with you, and they will sound very amazing to you. And these facts, I cannot quantify them because they are not from a survey. It's just from some data that I searched over the internet in the last 4 weeks. And also based on the conversation on multiple forums that I've had with people who are using Excel, willing to learn Excel, and finding ways to learn Excel. There are about 750 million people who use Excel. This is the most widely used database system in the world. You'd be surprised to know that less than 50% of its users can only use Excel's capability for about 2 to 4%. And people who actually can use it, about 80 to 90%, are 5% of the total number, which is 715 million. So understand the difference between the two. The roles reverse. 5% users are almost 50% of the total customer base who use Excel, and even then it is way too popular. So if you are willing to learn and take that one step, I am going to help you face that challenge and get your fear into confidence. And before we do that, let me ask you, since you're looking at the video, let me ask you if you could comment one thing that you like about Excel if you are an avid user, and one thing that scares you the most. That will help me understand what is it that you need help with and how can we go about it. I'll give you a gist of what I learned in 4 weeks of constant communication on various forums, chats, and whatnot. I've read, a few articles here and there to understand. So, from my observation on that data, on that communication, out of 10, 8 people are learning Excel or want to learn Excel for either of the reasons. One, to qualify an interview because Excel is a part of that interview and get a job, or to save the job that they are doing right now. They only want to learn what they need in that job. The remaining two, they are either willing to learn it a little bit so that they are better and their managers, their boss, or their reportees can trust him a little more with numbers. He or she can do analysis and bring some more meaningful information to the team to improve. However, nobody I found so far of people who want to learn because they want to learn. And it is understandable because maybe they don't have the time, the means, the resources, or they just don't think that they'll be able to learn because they have tried and failed, or they are failing to try. Could be either. But I am going to help you, if you are willing to learn in a step-by-step journey to learn this from the point when you open up the Excel for the first time. So next time when there's workaround and your boss asks, can you do it? And you have to stand up with confidence and say, yes, I know how to do it. And that's the change I'm willing to bring and work with you to get that change up, your confidence. I am also interested in your story. So if you faced something challenging at your work and you found a unique way of solving that problem in Excel, please share that with us in the comment. I would be more than happy to review as many case studies as I can and invite you to a nice call and help other users learn from it. So I am encouraging everybody here who's looking at this video to go ahead, tell me what is it that scares you from Excel so that we can work together to face this head on and become confident in us and about Excel. Look forward for the series that I'm bringing up, which is Learning Excel for the Beginners, the first time user. Thank you. Have a nice day.